Hi, welcome back to 99AI. This issue is full of valuable content again. Since I last recommended Rus AI video translation, everyone says it's too expensive, can't afford it. Today I will recommend a domestic tool that is much cheaper than it. Its name is GhostCut. Although it is called Ghost Hand, it does not make ghostly sounds. Because I found that the underlying mechanisms of their video translation are different. What about Rus AI? It keeps the frame still. It adjusts the length of the sound. However, the Ghost Hand is faithful to the translation of sound and change the length of the screen. So GhostCut will not produce this kind of ghostly sound. However, currently GhostCut only supports videos that are less than 6 minutes long. For us long video bloggers, it's like this. Is it still not very convenient? But it also has something particularly powerful. It can translate all the text in your screen. Although I don't think it has achieved perfection. But I think this is already the original intention of translating the film's dialogue. I personally think that this technology is already very impressive. Of course, we can't just talk about these impressive things. I also want to give a negative review. However, the negative review is not for Ghost Hand, but for another tool. I want to know what that tool is. Can I get my first negative review? Also, do you want to know how much cheaper Ghost Hand is compared to Rus AI? Remember to watch my video until the end. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. This way you won't miss out on the AI tools I will release in the future. I think each one is very useful. Because of that, I feel that there isn't much news about AI this week. So I organized all the tools I had previously used to make videos. I will also share with everyone at the end of the video. So remember to watch until the end, okay? Still the same, I will put everything in this issue's notes. Just look in the description section below. The first link is the link to GhostCut. Click it once, click try now. Write your name and email. Then receive a verification code. You can register by setting a password. Arrived at the backstage of GhostCut. Just place the mouse cursor over the editing tool. You can click to translate video voice. Click it. Then the first thing to remember is that it must be very important. You need to first select the language of the video to be translated. Then upload your video. Because I have tried to select the voice after uploading the video. It's just that first one selected. So remember to make sure this voice is selected. For voice, we have it here. I really like this friendly girl. Are there any other gentle girls? You can try each of these one by one. For example, if you are a boy, you can. Then select the dubbing. Choose the language as well. You can choose the generated subtitles freely. I chose subtitles that are somewhat similar to the format of TikTok. Then I don't select anything else. I found that if you try to do intelligent character removal at the same time, or when translating video text, the actual outcome is not good. So I suggest doing one thing at a time. Then go ahead and upload it locally. Select the video file you want to translate. After it finishes uploading, come out from the side. You can move your mouse. Just to confirm, is this the video you want to translate? After confirming, click on Export. Actually, 720 is already enough. That reduces 1 minute each time. It will tell you this place. Just now, 4 points were deducted in 30 seconds. It is already in line now. What if it deducts 4 points in 30 seconds? Let me show you its price. What about the price? I chose the 30-day plan for 68 renminbi. Then there are 300 points. They have already told you that it is 23 cents per point. That is 2.3 multiplied by 4. Approximately half a minute per Chinese yuan. So its price is really cheap. It is cheaper than that Rus AI. Too many. So I think actually this software in China. Still highly recommended. Although it currently does not support videos longer than 6 minutes. Does not support links either. But its price is really too cheap. Let's take a look at it. The Rus AI mentioned last time. Although it can support long videos and YouTube links. But its price is $39 per 25 minutes. Equals $1.56. If you multiply that by 7. It's just equivalent to 10.92 yuan. In other words, the price of Ghost Hand is 1/6 of Rus's. It is equivalent to generating 6 videos. Just waiting for Rus to generate a 1-minute video. Okay, my video has been processed just now. I feel like it should take around 3 to 5 minutes. If you want to download the video, you need to click inside. Then I realized that I had to click on this video link. After coming to this page, press these 3 dots again. Download again. I can only download it on my computer. I don't know why. You may feel that its website is not particularly smooth. But I found that only this method can download it. I have tried other methods but cannot download. So, do you think I should download the video? Then after a while, I completely lost track of where to go. So only this side remembers to click on this link. After completion, click on these 3 dots and select download. Can only be downloaded. What other functions does GhostCut have? It's about intelligent text processing. It means that the text in the video can be removed. It is equivalent to using AI to fill in the fuzziness. There is another feature as well. Video denoising. To know, for example, our video. Sometimes you may need to use someone else's video. Platforms like TikTok or YouTube. It will judge whether your video is a repost or not. However, if you use this deworming function, it is very likely that this platform is unable to do so. Able to determine whether your video is a repost or not. You can see that its video has been mirrored. So there is simply no way to do it in a traditional way. To check if it is a video repost. And also removed all these characters. This is quite impressive. I have already demonstrated the voice translation just now. It can convert videos into various different styles with just one click. Different languages. This makes my home look more beautiful. Stop now. This also looks like this. If you want to choose this water bottle, use it in your travel bottle. You can drink water anytime, anywhere. Very comfortable. Give it a try. Let's give it a try. Then I'll give this one-click multiple styles a try first. Try now. There are many templates here. Several pages, oh. Just pick a page randomly. There are many templates here. Several pages, oh. Choose any page. So now, it's asking me to upload a video first. I just recorded a video casually earlier. The work has already been done. Next step. You can modify your copy here. For example, I don't really like this. I copied this text. Merlin was given a little treatment. I have recently been quite fond of using the Merlin Chrome extension. I just gave it a hint to turn off the microphone. After it is processed, it will automatically copy. Then you can simply use it to make a copy. I gave it a hint to turn off the microphone. From the copy that comes out of it, I have selected the first paragraph again. Copy it. Knock into the first paragraph of the copy. After the copywriting is done, it can be exported. Then here, we can also have a video to kill bugs directly. Intelligent optimization and special effects. Mirror flip and random transition. Random transition. Export. Let's see what kind of effect it will produce. Cancellation successful. Then you can see it in the queue on your home page. Okay, it's done. This is quite fast. Same video link. Introducing the perfect home design. High quality microphone. Whether you are a professional musician, player man, still simply a professional music major, want to upgrade your music game, this microphone. Our microphone provides unexpected sound quality. Capture every detail and intricacy. Your voice or music. It has high-tech and top-quality components. It ensures clear recording. Hurry up and launch. Can anyone see what the problem is? It's the template I chose. The number of characters does not match what I entered. So if I want to make corrections, otherwise, I will reduce my words. Otherwise, I will have to change the template. Able to accommodate more words inside. There is actually another function. It is the function of translating video text. Let me upload this for everyone to try. Just upload this casually. I will upload this video for everyone to watch. It was also selected earlier. Translate from Chinese to English. Then export and submit now. Wow, it's been 26 minutes. It's finally fixed. I think the translation of the video's text. This is more challenging than voice translation. It has been 26 minutes. Just translated all of this text. But this is still quite impressive. But you see, it's just some garbled characters. I think it's not working well for now. It has the ability to distinguish text. However, this one. Do you see the red stripe above? Its text is not particularly ideal. I think it is a small part. For example, let's take this part of the text. Occupy the entire video. If it's only 1/10 the size, it may be able to be translated. But if this part of the text is too large, I think it will have problems. Let me show you the effect of erasing in this video. I used the effect of erasing text in this video. What are the problems with erasing? It really is very clean. Just erase all the text above me. I can't see anything. I just wanted it to erase Chinese. It completely erased all the English. So this is also the same problem. If you want to erase the text, if the area is small enough. But if it's too big like mine, it's just too clean. Everything just disappeared. Arrived at the negative review section. This is an AI girlfriend. Wasn't there a popular internet celebrity who became famous recently? Because his AI girlfriend made a lot of money. It can be voice conversation. And it is sold at a high price, 1 minute costs 1 knife. I tested this AI girlfriend. Oh, how low this IQ is. I really can't bear to watch. Take a look at the demo, everyone. The website that I strongly do not recommend. Called Cupid.ai. If you have children at home, remember to block this website. Make sure to block it. First, he said warning 18 houses. But you clicked on him. Would you disagree? Do you think you're under 18? Don't you know how to click this? I think my child might have accidentally clicked on something. Because he only gives you one agree and continue. Then there are many AI models inside. Different ages. There are different appearances. Let's order something Asian then. But listen to what he says in the conversation. Hey there, I'm Yumi. A 26-year-old art enthusiast with a special love for manga. I am excited to begin this journey with you. Filled with creativity and endless conversation. Now if you're new here, allow me to assist you with a brief tour. If you ever feel like catching a glimpse of me, all you need to do is ask. Please send us a message in our chat. Hey Yumi. Can I see a picture of you? And I'll happily send one. Or maybe even a few more if you'd like. Let's give it a try. Can you send me a picture? He said yes. What about the picture? He said it is in my phone. Still keeping it a secret. He said, I will show you. Then show it off quickly. Oh my goodness. This feels like. Slowly and hesitantly. Ah. Do you think it's a waste of time? Hey, what do you mean? I am in your picture. I will really send him a photo. But if you want to see his photos, you still need to become premium. Let me check his premium. $9.99 per month. Then, if it's for a year, it's $99.99. He only has 120 free tokens per month. If you want to generate an image, actually, we don't need to go to Qbit AI either. Let's go to stable-diffusion and generate as you like. A pile of clothes and clothesless. You can choose freely. I don't need you here with me. This feels hesitant and indecisive. I don't even know how many pictures I've taken at stable-diffusion. He feels like a robot who doesn't understand anything. I asked him if he can write code. He said, I'm not very good at it. But I am currently studying. Can you write a snake game for me using Python? He said sure thing. Then don't write either. Then I said, can you write an essay about Qbit? Can you write an essay about the situation of your company? Write a brief introduction. He just said, yeah, that's no problem at all. Then where is the essay? This is simply a robot with extremely low intelligence. Then I asked if you could do the thing I asked you to do. He said yes of course. Then do nothing. Ah, really not recommended at all. Don't go. Arrived at the AI tool ranking. How do I find it? Just below the notes for this episode of my video. Here is an artificial intelligence tool. AI tools leaderboard. I will list the tools I have used recently in my videos. All listed here. If you don't know how to use it, everyone, you can click on the small triangle below. You will be able to see my video. Then click on this red play button. He will tell you how to use it. Just like Bing's keyboard. It's actually really useful. I am using it now. There are also image generation inside. These are the websites I can summarize. The videos have all been made. Just click on each small triangle to expand it. All have videos. That's me still making videos without a triangle. I will still complete them one by one. Try to make every tool for him. There is a short video to introduce each one. What about that point to this place below? For example, there are recent ones. Everyone asked me how to summarize videos on Bilibili in one click. I have also listed this website here. There is also a super useful mobile app called Fellow Translator. How about you open it directly? It is able to automatically recognize the language heard by the phone. And it is translated in real time into your specified language. For example, many users are asking about the one-click background change. Just using Photoshop beta. Recent AI features. How about AI automation? Automatically send tweets every day. Just use Zapier to automatically tweet with GPT. Another aspect is the optimization of audio. Because my previous video was recorded outdoors, the quality of its audio is very poor. So I also found a tool to optimize this audio. Let everyone hear less wind and noise. And then there is the top 5 ranking of ChatGPT plugins. I have only got 3 now. But I am still slowly adding to it. AI Chrome extension ranking. I am also slowly adding to it. And another thing is, if you want to know every day what major news happened in AI today, remember to click on this link. Please enter your email here. Then subscribe. Then I will send you the latest AI news every day. There are some that are not quite suitable for our video, because many of our audience members are children. If you want to delve deeper into AI news, remember to subscribe to my newsletter. Also, don't forget about our AI course. If you have any questions, you can have a chatbot here. You can ask our little AI robot, specialized in answering questions about my course. You can ask questions here. For example, if I ask if this course is lifelong, still need to pay every month, he will answer, this course is lifelong. One-time payment grants permanent access. No need to pay monthly fees anymore. For example, let's say you want to know how to join Jojo's WeChat group. He also told you to click on this link. But sometimes he does it like this. So you may need to copy it a little bit. This is the website. Copy and then open in a new browser. Here is the QR code for our group. Oh. 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 Oh.